Are you struggling to make money with affiliate marketing? Well, no worries. Today, I'll share with you some successful affiliate marketing strategies that you can apply to quickly boost your sales. Sounds good? All right, let's dive in. Affiliate marketing is all about commission income, but to get those payouts, you will need to get people clicking on your links and making conversions. Promoting products to your family and friends is a good start, but it's not sustainable. The industry will evolve, new platforms will emerge, and consumer trends will shift. But the good news is you don't need a massive following to get going. In fact, I'll show you 9 beginner-friendly strategies that you can apply right away. Alright, let's kick off the list with something we've all stumbled upon when researching something to buy online, and that is comparison articles. People want to weigh their opinions before buying, so they will look for comparison articles. So, well-researched comparisons will make your content helpful and build trust. When choosing products to compare, aim for those with less competition. Then, give honest pros and cons for each product. No need for long stories either, just the simple facts to help readers decide without getting the dreaded analysis paralysis. Think about your audience's needs and concerns. What are their pain points? If possible, share your own experiences with the products for a more personal touch. Remember to keep your language simple and easy to follow. And don't forget to include a handy comparison table. Visuals can go a long way. There's another cool tip. With Hostinger's Managed WordPress Hosting, you get a special Amazon affiliate plugin. It lets you build those comparison tables in a flash and grabs product info directly from Amazon. By combining it with our AI writer tool, you can get your article online in just a few minutes. To learn more about this feature, click the link to the Hostinger blog post in the description below. Okay, the next tip on the list is for those who want to use YouTube's platform to boost their sales. A faceless YouTube channel is a great option if you don't enjoy being on camera. Think about it. You get to focus on showcasing products and you don't even need to dress up for it. To make your video super engaging, pick a topic you're genuinely passionate about, then load up on affiliate products that fit that niche. Since the audience won't see your face, you can add engaging visuals. Think eye-catching animations, screen recordings, or even some stock footage. Now, add a captivating voiceover to guide your viewers and be sure to tell them exactly what to do next. Maybe visit your affiliate website, subscribe to your channel, or purchase the product that you're featuring. And remember, include relevant keywords in the description of your video as this will help people find your content. Forums and Q&A sites like Reddit and Quora can be gold mines for affiliate marketing. Those sites have a bunch of people looking for recommendations, and that's where you come in. But you can't just spam your links under every post you see. You'll either get banned or lose any authority that you have. Instead, approach it like you would with a friend who's asking for advice. Share what you love about the product and how it's helped you personally. So, focus on giving genuine, helpful answers to questions. People are much more likely to trust your recommendation if it feels authentic. And don't forget, you can also share reviews that contain your affiliate links. It's a subtle way to promote the product while still providing value. The key is to become part of the community. Take the time to understand the etiquette of each site you're posting on. Don't just answer questions, join in on the conversations too. This way you'll come off as a helpful stranger and not just a marketer. Parasite SEO sounds nasty, but it's a completely legit strategy with a long history. Essentially, you're using the popularity of established websites to boost your own rankings. By publishing your own content on these sites, you're boosting your own visibility, which leads to more clicks and conversions. Think of it as a shortcut to the top without having to spend years building up your own authority. So, first, find websites that fit your niche. Look for ones with a high domain ranking, which you can check on Ahrefs. High-ranking sites are better as they should appear at the top of the search results. Next, pitch the website owner an idea for a guest post or an affiliate article. This often comes with a fee, so do your research and pick the best platforms. And remember, be upfront about your affiliate links, especially if the website requires disclosure. Make sure your content is well-researched and targets relevant keywords. Then, place your affiliate links naturally, and if allowed, include some links to the host website too. Doing so helps you benefit from the platform's internal link structure. If you prefer visuals to writing, no problem. Pinterest SEO is another awesome way to promote affiliate products through images and short videos. Let's take a look at it. Pinterest lets you display affiliate products and connect with a visually driven audience. The rule of thumb here is to upload high-quality images or videos along with a compelling call to action. Once you've got a collection of posts or pins, organize them into themed boards. Think about the topics that are trending in your niche. Mix up your content with different formats, images, infographics, videos, or even carousels. And be sure to name your boards using keywords that your audience is likely to search for. Then try expanding your reach by joining relevant group boards. Just make sure the promotional content is allowed there. Okay, Pinterest has a bunch of tools to help you with this too. Keep an eye on Pinterest trends to see what's new and consider using Tailwind to manage your content. Content syndication is another clever way to boost your visibility. It's like Parasite SEO, but instead of creating fresh content for other platforms, you're simply republishing it on high-traffic websites. Essentially, syndication helps grow your brand and funnel traffic to your affiliate links. It's like giving your content a second life. To execute this perfectly, you'll need to pick your platforms wisely though. Aim for sites with a solid domain authority and make sure they're a good fit for your type of content. Here's the crucial part though. Only syndicate your content after it's been indexed on search engines. Always link back to your original content so search engines know who the real creator is. Then, don't forget to add canonical tags to prevent duplicate content issues and spice things up with unique introductions for each piece. And finally, you should track the impact of your syndicated content with analytics tools like Google Analytics or Ahrefs. Influencers have already built trust with their audience in your niche. This makes their endorsement a powerful way to promote your products. Plus, influencers are the content creation experts. They know what their followers like and how to make a product truly shine. Unfortunately though, if an influencer does have a massive following, their rates tend to be really high. So if you're just starting out, it's probably better to work with micro-influencers. They're smaller, more dedicated communities often mean higher engagement levels, more likes, comments, and shares. Aim to partner with influencers who align with your brand and target audience. Tools like BuzzSumo and Hype Auditor can help you with that. And now for the fun part, creating a campaign with your chosen influencer. Give them a creative brief on how the product can benefit their followers instead of just a hard sell. Then encourage that same audience to interact with your affiliate links through contests, giveaways, or polls, which creates hype around your product. To track your success, use unique affiliate links for each influencer. That way you can see exactly who's driving the most clicks and sales. And don't forget to regularly check your engagement metrics, the likes, the comments, the shares, to see how your campaign is performing. Launch jacking is all about taking advantage of a new trending product launch. The idea is to promote your affiliate products right around the release date, when there's hype but not competition. Timing is crucial here, so the earlier you create the content, the better. This is similar to targeting low competition keywords for SEO, so you'll need to do it before everyone else. Muncheye.com is a powerful tool right here. This site gives you an inside look at all the latest product launches. Pick a product that excites you, then start creating content. Explain what it is, make a demo video, or write an in-depth review, whatever works for you. Organic promotion is great, but you can also kick things up a notch with Google Ads. And if you've got the budget, paid advertising can definitely boost your links. Even if you're just starting out the business, Google Ads can be really effective as it's a shortcut to the top of the Google search results. But here's the thing. Google Ads can get expensive, so if you have the budget, you want to make sure every penny counts, and that's why planning your keywords is super important. Google Keyword Planner is a good tool for the job here. Use it to identify the best keywords for your products. And remember, since you're paying for ads, don't be afraid to target those high competition keywords. Look for keywords with high purchase intent like buy, discount, or specific product names. Begin your ad campaign with automated bidding strategies to get that initial data. Then refine your bids by manually adjusting them based on performance. And finally, don't forget to track conversions. This is how you know which ads are actually leading to sales. Google Ads has built-in conversion tracking tools so you can optimize your bids over there. And that's all I have for you today. Which of these strategies did you find most interesting? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tutorials like this in the future. As always, thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.